Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you set ringtone on iPhone or iPad. So to set ringtone, go to settings and click on this option, sounds and haptics. After clicking on it, click on ringtone, this option, and after clicking it, here you can see all kind of ringtones are here. You can just select it from these ringtones. You can also select from the last option, classic. You can select any of these classic ringtones. You can also select ringtones from tone store, this option, or you can just also download all purchase ringtones. So guys, that's how you can set ringtones on iPhone or iPad. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.